today we're going to make a galaxy in a jar. This is a real fun little project you can do at home. Just ask your parents if you need any materials. So what you're going to need is a sealable jar. We're using a mason jar with a lid so that it keeps your contents in the jar and doesn't spill. And you're going to need 3 colors of paint. So I chose a blue, a purple, and a pink. You can choose any colors that you want. These are all acrylic paint, so they're water-based. They're easy to clean up if you get on your hands. Make sure you cover your surface because it could be a little bit messy since we're working with paint. And we're also going to use glow-in-the-dark paint so that at night it should glow while you're in your room relaxing. You're also going to need any color glitter you want. We chose silver. You're going to need some cotton balls for this project. 3 cups. You might want to use disposable cups because it is going to have paint in it. And if you use a regular cup, it will more than likely stain the inside of your cup. And then you're going to need popsicle sticks to stir your paint in the water. So to start out with, you're going to need some cotton balls. I already have some pulled apart here. But all you do is just pull it apart, kind of like that, and you're good to go. So we're going to add our colors. You kind of want to shake them to get it mixed up really well. And you only want like probably 5 to 6 drops of paint in there. And you're going to want to stir them. If you want it a little bit darker colors, you can add more paint. But you want to get the bottoms really good because that's where the paint settles. And you want it mixed up really well. And then we're going to add in a couple drops of the glow in the dark, and we'll stir that up. And you want to do your lightest to darkest when you pour into there. So when we start pouring, we'll start with the pink, purple, and then the blue. And our pink. And then our glow in the dark. You can get all these supplies at Walmart, the Dollar Tree will have the mason jars, but you can also buy the mason jars at Walmart in their the aisle with their pans in the kitchen area. All right, so what we do is we'll take the lid off of this. And we're going to add some cotton balls that have been pulled apart in the bottom. And it doesn't have to be perfect. The water will weight it down. And so all you do is pour. Make sure you're soaking the cotton balls. Nope. And then you're gonna add in some glitter. And you add in more cotton balls to the next layer. If you wanted to, you can kind of spread out the glitter with the popsicle stick so it's on the edges. and that's why we use paper. And a little bit more glitter. And as you can see, the colors are kind of mixing together, and that's what it's supposed to do. I'm just going to put the lid on, and that's it. That's your galaxy in a jar. I hope you had fun doing this craft.